Good morning. I just wanted to share with you all my brand new Cuttlebug. And it's in pink and I had to get it. I have an older Cuttlebug, but I just didn't like the color, and so I'm probably going to sell that. And so here I am unpacking my new pink Cuttlebug. And this is going to go into my club room where I have my clubs meet. It was our guest room, and my husband helped put the whole thing together so I could have a new craft room. So here we go. It's opened up, and here is the user manual with a pink Cuttlebug on it. Okay, so I'll read that later. And, oh cool. Oh, very good. Okay, so I got a rubber mat and 2 B's and an A plate. That's good. I have one of my B plates is getting really cut up from using it so much. Using my close to my heart thin cuts. Yeah, I'm using it a lot. Okay, so here, let me put it on its side so I don't destroy anything. Pull out the cardboard. Oh, I got a new present. Ooh, 2 new presents. How cool. I got 2 thin cuts and a folder, a polka dot folder. Very good. How cute. Okay, there's one board and one board, cardboard, and my favorite, bubble wrap. Who doesn't love bubble wrap? Oh my gosh. Oh man, I am so happy I got this. You know, I'm somehow affected a lot by color. And so if there's something that is a color I don't like, it doesn't make me happy. And I have to say, this makes me happy. It's so pretty. So that's opening it up and doing my dial. So I can't wait to move this into my new craft room for all my clubs to meet, and then I guess I'll let them use my new pink Cuttlebug. Anyway, just wanted to wish you all a good morning, and mine started off real good. So my name is Dorothy Smith, and I am a close to my heart consultant, and I have a blog called .scrapbooking.com. It's all one word, and I hope you come see my blog and some of the things that I make using my new pink Cuttlebug. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my blog at .scrapbooking.com.